Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good Sunday. I am. Been walking 1.5 miles every day, getting my cardiac exercise in. Doctors are happy about that. Today I'm going to show you some Tourmaline, and we're going to have some great prices on the Tourmaline. All of our Tourmaline is natural. I know there is an enhancement done to Tourmaline, but that's not done with beads. You can see the richness of the color of these Tourmalines. These are some really nice ovals. Next, we're going to show you some really small vase cut. This is like one of my favorite cuts. And this is your brighter pinks and yellows and greens. Look at that cut. See if we can zoom in on that. Look at that. Look how beautifully that's microfaceted. This will make great fringe, great earrings, great everything. All right, next we're going to show you. This is a lot of yellows and pinks. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. Zooming out. Some nice greens in there. These are about 3 millimeter. We'll have the measurements up. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. And next, we've got some more of that vase cut, but a different color combination. This is more greens and browns. Really cool. Again, that vase cut. These really pop. They really sparkle. All right, next. Now, this is an assortment that's heavy in the pinks. And of course, we've got pictures up on our website when you click it. And next, this is the same greens and browns, but in a rondelle cut. And you can see how beautiful they sparkle. And I think the last one are just some ovals. But very nice. Smaller than the first ovals that we showed you. They're almost kind of like small coins. Very nice material. And these are not faceted. Again, at a very, very good price. I know you all like Tourmaline. This is an opportunity to buy some Tourmaline at a super deal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I'm going to show you one last thing. I've got one of these clasps left. I'm going to put it up. It's a teddy bear. It's cubic zirconia. It's got a push button operation, bayonet, and it is my, here it's snapping, and it is my last one. It is sterling silver, and we'll have a special price on it. He's so cute.